Many of you may remember when I started my business, I took a course for women in construction. And my business plan was that teams of women would work together in the renovation industry. Fast forward 14 years later, and I'm in the work boot business. But now is the time that I'd like to get back to my roots. I'm actually wearing my Dolly Parton shirt today that says, "Figure out who you are and do it on purpose." And I know many of you are out there working in the skilled trades industry and working with purpose. And I would like to showcase your business and your talents. So this is a call out to tradeswomen anywhere in the world to let me know if you'd be interested in participating in an online content video creation, showcasing your tasks and your skills that we can share with homeowners to do themselves. We can also highlight when it's time to call in a tradeswoman. If you are interested, please let me know, reply to this post or private message me or contact me any way you would like. And tonight we'll be hosting a call on Zoom at 9 o'clock so we can hash out some of these details. We'll share with you how to create your video, and I'll be sharing with you what my plan is to jazz up your videos and add your business information and your logos and how people can contact you. Thanks very much, and I look forward to hearing from you.